What's up, everyone? In today's video, I'm going to go over the 4 ways real estate investing can make you wealthy beyond what you ever could have imagined, and why it's estimated that over 90% of millionaires were created by doing just that, investing in real estate. So I hope this video helps you out. I hope you learn a couple things, and without further ado, let's get into it. So first off, I want to say thanks for stopping by the channel and checking out this video. And if you do enjoy it, please click the notifications button and subscribe. I do enjoy making these videos for you, and hopefully this helps you learn something so you can continue on your journey in real estate investing. So the 4 ways that real estate creates over 90% of millionaires. First is appreciation. So over time, home values increase. Now over the last 30 years, home values have increased 4% year over year on average. So let's say that you purchased a home in 2010 for $100,000. That home today would be worth $160,000. So just by owning the home over the course of that time, you've increased your net worth by $60,000. Now, $60,000 over the last 13 years might seem minuscule, but imagine doing that over and over and over again. What if you had 5 single-family homes that you rented out? That would add up very, very quickly. Mind you, this example isn't a home that you live in. This is a home that someone else is renting out and paying down your mortgage on, all while you reap the benefits of the appreciation on that property. So number 2, and this one is my favorite, cash flow. So let's say you have this hypothetical home that you purchased in 2010 for $100,000, and you're currently leasing it for $1,200 a month. Your mortgage on that would roughly be about $550 a month. Your maintenance, your vacancy repairs, your taxes, your insurance would total around $350 a month. So you're left with $300 a month cash flow. Over the course of a year, that's $3,600 in extra income, all while someone is paying down your mortgage and the property is appreciating in value. Now again, that might not seem like a lot, $300 a month, but imagine doing that 3 times, 5 times, 7 times. It can add up very, very quickly. And that is why people become millionaires when investing in real estate. It compounds very quickly. This definitely seems like a pretty good deal to me. So number 3, debt pay down. So let's say you have this hypothetical home that someone is leasing for $1,200 a month. They are paying down your mortgage for you, and the property is increasing in value every year, year over year. That balance on that mortgage today would be around $78,000. That's paid down from the original mortgage amount of $100,000. On top of that, you have the $60,000 in appreciation on the property. So all of these things are starting to compound. And let's not forget the cash flow of $300 extra a month, $3,600 a year. Now, all these numbers that I'm giving to you are very conservative and can vary from market to market. As far as the appreciation, your rents might have gone up higher. You may have put a little extra towards that mortgage every month. Everything starts to compound over time. So lastly is number 4, tax benefits. Now, when you own a rental property, you are allowed to depreciate the value of that property over time. So that will decrease your tax basis. You're also allowed to write off certain expenses on that property during the tax year that those expenses occurred. So those aren't the only benefits to your taxes whenever it comes to owning an investment property, but those are the 2 main ones. So the property can be depreciated over time. The expenses can be written off for the year that they occurred, and you can also write off some large capital improvements. Now, those can't be completely written off for that tax year, but you can depreciate those over time as well. All those things combined will decrease your tax basis for what you owe to the government. So as an example, when I started investing in real estate, I was traveling overseas and I was working as an aircraft mechanic, making 6 figures a year. Well, the first year that I did it, I had a very high tax basis. The next year that I did it, I bought a rental property. and my tax basis started to come down. I had the expenses from that property, I had the depreciation from that property. And towards the end of my career traveling overseas and making six figures, I was getting money back every year on my taxes. Because I was paying in at my earned income job, I hadn't yet shown the depreciation and the expenses paid on my rental properties. And so I submit my taxes and the government says, oh, you paid us too much. Here's some money back. You're decreasing your tax basis on what you owe to the government if you have those expenses and that depreciation to bring down your tax basis. So one thing I hope you take away from this video is the age-old saying, it's not timing the market, it's time in the market. And that's why over 90% of millionaires are created through real estate, is because all of these things combined are compounding and they increase your net worth over time. Now, each one of these things taken on their own, in my opinion, is enough reason for me to invest in real estate. But collectively, it feels like a no-brainer for me. Now, I hope you took away something valuable from this video. And if you have any questions, please leave it in the comments. I'm curious to see some of your feedback on this video and what you think. As always, please click the notifications and subscribe to the channel if you like the video. Till next time.